What's happening, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. Over the next several videos, I'm going to show you the quickest way to get your credit score over 700 points. You should begin implementing the following credit score improvement plan immediately. Most of these steps will not cost you a dime to implement but are crucial to increasing your credit score. This plan is not a substitute for paying your bills on time. If you follow these steps in conjunction with making a commitment to begin paying your bills on time, you will see dramatic results. Let's begin. Step 1. How your score is calculated. You will win the credit game by knowing the rules better than everyone else. It might shock you to learn that past payments and collections, over 2 years old, only represent around 10.5% of how your score is calculated. All of the credit repair companies want you to believe that these past payments are the only thing that matters so that you will pay thousands of dollars to use unscrupulous methods to remove them from your credit report. The king is here to tell you that it isn't even worth your time to remove them. Wouldn't you rather optimize the other 89%? I want you to focus your time on the least expensive, fastest, and highest score generating methods. Keep in mind that recent late payments and collections within 2 years have a 24.5% impact on your score, so I will address those issues. These are the 5 main factors that determine your credit score and the percent that they represent. Utilization rate represents 30% of your FICO score. Account age represents 15% of your FICO score. Credit mix represents 10% of your FICO score. New credit represents 10% of your FICO score. Payment history represents 35% of your FICO score. I will provide tips to optimize each of these factors in the next step, but you should still learn these percentages. If you learn to consider them while making decisions about every aspect of your personal finances, you will have great credit for the rest of your life. Applying these rules will become second nature once you have some practice. I consider the 5 factors every time I pay my bills, open a new account, use my credit cards, purchase big-ticket items, virtually anything else related to my personal finances. What has this done for me? Well, my credit score is over 800. I can buy houses with no money down with low interest rates. I can buy nice cars with a 1% interest rate. My insurance rates are lower. I save over $1,000 a month due to my great credit. If you thought that a score like that could be achieved by dumb luck or simply paying your bills on time, you wouldn't need my advice. I'm sure you know the stakes: planning and patience. Now let's get into your personal action plan for improving your credit. Note: you will hear me refer to FICO throughout this video. FICO scores are your credit rating. Please proceed to the next video.